Again Motos. Magandang araw, Bicolandia. Nandito tayo sa Rinconada National Technical Vocational School at kasulukuyang tinatalakay ni Ginoong John Kevin C. Gambal ang tungkol sa expanded career progression for teachers and school heads in the Department of Education.
Kumbaga mandated yung mga schools to conduct such screening. Ano yung purpose of mental health screening? The main purpose, of course, is to identify pupils at risk or yung mga learners at risk. So, paano natin mag-gauge kung at risk yung mga learners na yun? So, there are actually dalawa yung tools na pinakilala. So, we have the CARS, C-A-R-S, and the HEADS, H-E-E-A-D-S-S-S.
Maghintay sa susunod na updates at manatiling nakasubaybay.